Eh.
Who that Sir boy go on there? Who did I go for the clinic tomorrow? Beg the teacher something to say go buy a stick of butter and a pack of curry.
Who sent you out?
The teacher, my
Which
out there
teacher?
look for your job, not a you, me no say. Me said they're going in the yard, go bathe and put on some clothes, that in case me say me a job, me go say, oh, me no bathe and change. Me say that me go do, but me no say me a job, so me a come back to the teacher. Where you come from, sir job? Me no say so long. So long me no see Sir job. Yeah, that's why Reggie.
Yeah, man, me a power with a dog named Jimbo D, you know.
Me no know who named Jimbo D, but Reggie there who did I beg you something for go down at the doctor Wednesday.
A Jimbo, you move like informer
No,
and them thing.
man.
Jimbo
No,
me a power with
man.
you know.
I'm not informer, sir. Me know you long time. I you call me informer. I unshoot you tell man Reggie, man.
You walk a call up my name like a
No,
informer.
man. Me not call up your name. Me call up your name. I lie that.
Everybody tell me say I can't call up my name,
the
but
teacher and come round at the back. I want to see you.
which teacher you are?
Yeah, the right there, sir.
Yeah, man. What? So you turn cokehead.
Boy, the teacher give me that $65.
You turn cokehead and now people are saying you out and get silver. And you not take 1,000 from me because you say that week.
No, man, me take anything from Mr. Sharp because you are.
Hold on, great.
My girl, Sir Sharp talking to you. My girl.
You don't know ratings.
No, she show her bottom.
Eh.
You know, so her bottom look, I go up the road.
That's why she move so.
Reggie good at work is already. She don't want to hear nothing from me.
Who good to work it?
Me, Reggie.
You too blood clean like
She
boy. You
don't remember me, but
You too bumper like.
me know her, my work is already. She don't remember me, man. She a go and left me.
Are you work it already?
Yeah, man, me know her from out there, so, man.
You too bumper like.
No, man, I'm my girl, man. Mr. Sharp, you hear what me I say now? When that come,
Yeah.
me have to go down to the doctor. Me said they're going to hold a beer that when that come, me can't chuck on something to that. When that come, me can't chuck on something different.
Oh yeah.
So look here, me they are wounded.
But me Saturday me tell you say I could go up on the place and me don't see you.
Wait a while ago, sir.
Saturday me tell you say I could go up on Camper Down Classic and when me come out I don't see you.
Me go to Winard Road cause me did wounded and look at money over the racing.
But that's why you can't bother me. Remember the same thing with me not deal with you know. Cause me and you forgot a funeral and you not come. And now me tell you say me and you go stadium and you still not come.
No, sir, me never remember when you said me go to Winard Road and try something at the betting shop, sir.
And me did have a 5 grand for me when me that say boy that me I give Richie.
John know me never know nothing, sir. Me go to Winard Road cause me did wounded, sir.
But you see through you not forward.
No,
A teacher
sir.
see me and borrow it, I'm just laying her.
Wait a while ago, sir.
Somebody see me up there and say them broke them a little 5 grand for borrow, so me lend them.
You see, it's a good thing me never said nothing to you cause you lend them and you have it, so me never have nothing, so me no know where that about.
But the 5 grand gone cause they not give me it back yet.
Yeah, I know.
Just that me a talk about. Me lend them the 5 grand, me not get it back yet.
So why go on now? You wounded now, can't let something with Reggie now.
The 5 grand me away pan.
Me owe Oscar yesterday Sunday.
Yeah.
Me now have no money.
Yeah.
Me tell Oscar never give me a Pepsi tin. Me say me.
Me I say, oh you forgot, what you say?
Me owe Oscar up there so 200. I'm owe the man out at the sunny place where I buy the sunny. 2 pack of sunny me take from him and tell him so I owe him so I owe 400 down a bow and owe 200 up a Oscar.
But them
And
brave, all them a trust you and they never see your work.
them say when I have money, I will pay them
I
back.
don't believe that because you hard paying like what, you not pay money.
No, man, once I have it, I will pay them back.
But you
no,
never have it.
No, sir, shop. Sometimes I have money. But now me there, sir, shop, wounded.
People say you don't get $60 silver.
That's all she say.
Jaja, and you not do nothing for me for free.
No, mother do anything for you, Mr.
You
Shop.
like that.
Oh, you say like that? You don't know what I would do from what me know we do.
You not do nothing for me for free. Everything you want to pay.
No, Mr. Sharp, I would do anything for you here what you say till next time. When you say next time, I will hear what you say.
So that you want to tell in my vehicle say next time.
She don't have no more next time.
If I mean that you tell me say that can't do that wounded.
No, me can't tell her that, sir.
Oh, Miss Garden get some new wheels for her ride.
Yeah.
Look good.
She said tomorrow look for her and minute and Mr. Job Joe will give me something.
Yeah, man, I forgot wash it off. It nice.
Yeah, cause she have a good car this.
So some nice wheels.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So
Yes, sir, Sharp. Now I beg you something for go down at the hospital Wednesday.
me tell you something, lend the purse, but I get it back here.
Me don't know your business, sir.
But that I business, me lend them cause you never come, so me lend them 5 grand.
So nothing now go on now.
Me I will get it back on gear.
Yeah, I know. Sir, Sharp, and give me a weird.
Yeah, you're a friend. That's why it's
Yeah,
true.
I know about me, I no friend. You's a man who would do anything for you.
No, you not come at the funeral with me. You never come up.
Yeah,
you never come
I
up so
know.
with me. When me tell you
Yeah.
for forward at the place, they be nah forward, so me cut
No,
you off,
sir.
me cut you off.
No, sir, Sharp, not anger me,
Yeah,
sir.
par with the G when name Jimbo D. When me and Jimbo are forward, anyway Jimbo forward.
Yeah, I know. No, Mr. Sharp, me they are wounded at all about you in the school. Me just go in the school, go look for you.
I'm in a day. Cause you never come
And
sat.
you know, there, I'm a turn back, as me turn back out and stand up there, so the lady, me I talk to her and she said go buy the bus and the car.
How is teacher that?
The brownie who drives the white car, she uncle give me $65.
Oh. Okay.
They are wounded, sir, Sharp, left something now.
Tell us when me get the 5 grand, me give you.
You not get it by tomorrow.
I'm going to get it by today.
Yeah, I
The person
know.
said them have it, so me I tell them to forward it. And later, me send it on for you.
So what time you come out later?
When school over, so me I over there when school over. You can come check when school over.
So go bed and get ready and come out and come look for you when school over.
Yeah.
And you give me the 5 grand?
I feel.
You not go give me it, sir. You go say you not get it yet.
I hear money, me say.
My money?
And me I give you a 5 grand, even though I'm not rate you again, but me I give you a 5
Yeah,
grand.
I know. Mr. John, me there wounded. I'm owe Oscar 200. I'm owe the man out about 400. I'm there not even
Yeah, so me say come circle for the 5 grand.
When that?
When school over.
So what are you have now?
No, 209.
So me be bed and get ready by before 3.
By 3:10, school are over. You can come check me when the crowd come out, so by about 3:20 or 3:30. What I did it?
3:30 I go there.
Yeah.
So alright, now go do that and come look for you, yeah?
Yeah, me there.
Alright.
Ah. Go upstairs, go check this garden for something for me.
Out there, you know, come out there, the border cross, and say, when it's done, if we come in the motel, we come in here, then it's off, we sit down and say, look like you're not ready to go away.
Me I pay you if you come a class. 5 grand if you come a class, come stay.
Me don't know a lesson, sir.
Yeah, but just come watch your lesson and you get 5 grand.
Watch your legs, sir.
Yeah, 5 grand for that.
So why you want to come out there?
See, they go on to Miss Garden for something for me. Walk away, they go for Miss Garden. And when I come back, now you just come right yourself. See, pool axe where you do, Pastor Reggie. You never know what's for Miss Garden. So Miss Garden upstairs, I wait for you. I know which part that taxi much I taxi you, but you know which part Miss Garden, you know what time you go up there? Eh? Miss she done sweep? Yeah, we can go by and come up. We can't start till she done sweep. Well, let me just make sure they bring back something for me. Functions. I'll finish up functions. Remember what? I have to tell her thanks like a yours. Bring me. Some food. Bring me something, come give me.
Yes, sir. No, make it this scene already. I'm feeling we know what to sir. I'm gonna be a weird, yes, brother. I'm gonna be a weird man. Should say we get the teacher up there to say forget that.
5 grand, me send you for you come with 4. I'm next door
And
there.
that should say forget.
A 5 grand.
A 4 to give me.
I'm search your pocket.
See, extra not you are.
But a 5 grand, me forget.
Me no know.
And this a gift. Oh, the 4 grand. Yeah, get, make him get that one. Yeah. Eh?
What?
This one for me? Alright, go for the next one.
Me not have no more. You have more, me?
Then 5 grand, let me tell you about, man.
She said that alone she have.
Go and go check her.
She not have no more.
She said, come check her.
Sir, me she have more? You have more? Him say that shit and that you again.
Oh, one of you, so you have to change it.
No, sir.
Reggie said no one told. Yeah, you don't know, so Reggie make somebody said him go shop and give him $60 silver and he take it. And I tell me now, say him don't want $1,000, but change this and take 1,000.
No, sir.
Yeah, I don't want 1,000, but you take $60 for the one. Take off some money and come a class if you want to pay. I'm telling you, yeah, why put your item?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Come here, still not really good, you know.
Sir, they are talking about your own wounded.
So Miss Gardner have the next
sir.
one.
No,
So Miss Gardner have the next one.
she not give me the next one.
Yeah?
She not give me the next
What do you mean? Oh. Oh, you finished. All right.
Why tell me?
You know, say $1,000 you want to go clinic Wednesday.
No, you promise me this and the sir promise me something different.
Yeah, but those that.
Me talk to you before me talk to the sir, miss, and then you tell me say the sir look for me and then me say me out and never did put on some clothes and look for the sir.
Alright, watch out. But one time you got clinic, so if you make 3 different months, you got clinic, when you get the 1,000, you're good.
No, sir. When me come back, never out there wound.
So you got done the 1,000 out there?
Never buy something. Never buy something to eat and drink when me go down there. When me come back, never wounded.
Yeah, man, when you come back, come circle me.
No, sir. No anger.
When you come back, come circle me.
No, sir. No anger me, sir. As you quit this study,
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you ask Mrs. Bailey, you ask Mr. Poole. So how much money you charge for the clinic?
she said, Miss Bailey said, nothing go over her.
Yeah.
Tomorrow she won't be here. Wednesday won't see her. So I'm begging you somewhere.
How what Mr. Poole say?
Mr. Paul,
The Rasta.
him said, don't make you can me, you must give me something.
I want to know the girl. I want to her. Father of your career. Eh?
Yes, sir.
What Miss Garden say?
Miss Garden said, me must take this can me outside first.
Okay, so you get 1,000, you're good.
No, sir.
He said tomorrow, so you come and page me today.
Him said, you said, him said, look with him. So today me I look with him because I'm long time him not look, give me nothing. So me said,
After that way, you know, you're going like every day to get up and give you something.
no, sir, I'm long time. You said next time I know me.
Well, the
not
next
get-
time not come yet.
No, sir, not said that.
Next time just not come yet.
Me come look for you, so you're up here in your class now. Come
Alright,
with
if you come a class and stay till class done, me give you 4,000.
here right now.
You're going to come and sit down on the back and stay till the class done. You wait to sit down on this then.
Reggie, where you book there?
So you're going to learn.
Definitely.
Well, the phone, I say you don't know if you use phone, but you're the on phone now.
They are wounded. I said, Wednesday, me I go down at the doctor. They are wounded at the pain bandit, sir.
Gone. Cut off, man. Yeah, man. Because all the day I ain't got just the money you want to see that.
No,
Miss Garden gave 1 and me gave 4.
God
So
bless
that's 5.
you,
I don't
sir.
want to see you back.
No, sir. Wednesday, me I go down at the place. Me want this to serve me that Wednesday. I'm go down there and come back and have something.
Just make sure that lasts. I make a hide from you again.
No, sir.
I the worst when I go down and tell her for forward, you know come.
No, sir.
Hide from you, man. I didn't see it.
No, sir.
Hide, man. Look more.
Yes, sir. Buy again.
So you can't buy out of every month, no more.
Yeah, right now.
Buy a Gatorade down and Miss Dan for me out of that. 250 feet.
250 Gatorade, me for buy down on me son.
Yeah.
What flavor?
Grape or the blue one.
Grape or blue white name?
I'm not sure where the blue one name.
White name the drink what you want.
I just tell you, you forgot already?
Me no remember.
I say head bad.
Yeah, no.
What the juice name want me just tell her?
Gatorade, no something like that you say.
That me say. What name?
Grape or blue you say.
Yeah, and what juice name?
Gatorade.
Yeah.
That you want?
Mhm.
Grape or blue Gatorade.
Yeah.
Ah.
If she not have them, they just take anyone. Forward back with him, my God.
Yes, yes, sir.
So you look so vexed. I try to spend a 250 out of your money.
Man, 250 them to feed me, no say nothing about the
But
money.
see, you look vexed like you spend 250
sir,
and vexed.
I'm not vexed. Mr. Never put up the big thing who went down, keep the small thing one left out of the chain.
I want this to go to gym because I'm touching the gym in the evening.
Yeah, I go gym this evening.
Yeah.
Whether at the uptown or across your way.
Uptown, New Kingston.
Yeah. So what are you reach home?
Late night, well, probably after 8.
Lie. I forget to come out some morning.
Yeah.
So what are you wake up for come out?
Tomorrow about 5 o'clock.
Lie. So you have to go sleep late and get up early for reach out.
Yeah, man, that's how working class people do it. And that's how you do it.
No.
You go to bed anytime and get up anytime.
I got my bed before 10 and get up around 7, 8.
But I can't rich, I can't get up so late. Now working people.
Yeah, working people say I have to get up around what time? 5.
At 4:30.
January 3rd. Thank you, boy. Enough for me.
Alright, alright. Yeah. I have owned it so quick, I'm say I collect 5 grand. When you collect 5 grand? You done 5 grand quicker than me, and me have to buy gas, pay toll, buy food, bring my son to clinic, and the 5 grand, me not spend 5 grand since that day there, and you done 5 grand just by sitting out there?
No, sir. I'm going to the clinic, I buy something to eat, come back Wednesday, Thursday in the year.
How you buy steak and lobster?
Friday in the year, we spend nothing. Everything done, sir.
Can't done so quick. Anyways, you see the girl from up the road? The one where did see what there? You remember?
Yeah, the browning.
The one with the big bottom when I walk past. You remember?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. The girls see the video where you say you walk her already and say she gonna sue you. Can you tell lie upon her?
No, man. I like that girl, man.
The girl say you tell lie upon her, say you walk it already.
No, sir. I don't like that.
And a lie you tell upon her?
No.
You walk it for true? Say you walk it for true?
Yes, sir.
The girl says she gonna sue you because you tell lie upon her. You do it for true?
Yes, sir.
Eh? So how was it?
Not too bad, but you just done it and go on home.
She said don't go on home.
Yeah.
You stay upon it too long.
Yeah.
Yeah, sample man. What? Are shooting?
Yes, sir.
Alright, I hope when the girl comes to sue you, have your evidence. You have evidence?
No, me not have the evidence, sir.
So you can defend yourself for court.
Well, she never get pregnant, that's all my glad for, sir.
You was glad to say you never breed it.
Yes, sir.
Alright, my boss.